Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Confident Vision TV, where we empower you to navigate the intersection of personal growth and finance. Today, we're diving into the key steps towards achieving financial independence for young adults. So, if you're ready to take control of your financial future, let's get started. To kick things off, it's crucial to understand your financial landscape. Consider the cultural context and unique financial struggles that may resonate with our diverse audience. Whether you're dealing with student loans, starting your career, or navigating early investments, acknowledging these factors lays the foundation for your path to financial independence. Now let's talk about setting clear financial goals. Whether it's saving for an emergency fund, planning for higher education, or even venturing into your first investment, having well-defined goals will guide your financial journey. Remember, specificity is key. The clearer your goals, the easier it is to create a roadmap towards financial independence. Moving on, creating a budget is a fundamental step. Break down your income, track your expenses, and identify areas where you can save. This is where the universal language of finance comes into play. While the specifics might differ based on your location, the principles of budgeting remain constant. Let's talk investments, not just monetary, but investments in yourself. Acquiring new skills, advancing in your career, and staying informed about personal finance trends are invaluable investments that contribute to your overall financial well-being. Remember, financial independence isn't just about money. It's about securing a fulfilling and sustainable future. Lastly, let's address challenges. Financial independence is a journey, and setbacks are a part of it. Whether it's overcoming debt or adapting to unexpected financial changes, staying consistent is key. Learn from challenges, adjust your strategy, and keep moving forward. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards financial independence for young adults. Remember, understanding your financial landscape, setting clear goals, budgeting wisely, investing in yourself, and navigating challenges are crucial steps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to engage with us in the comments below. Share your experiences, ask questions, and let's build a community focused on financial growth. Stay tuned for more empowering content, and until next time, take charge of your financial future. This is Confident Vision TV.
Thank you for your support. Before you leave, let's take 2 minutes of guidance from the universe.